myself Vinod, and I have around 9.3 years of experience in IT field. And now I'm going to share about my experience with Mr. Love Johar and Mr. Akshay Dikshit, who has turned my life into a different prospect in a very short period of around 3 to 4 months. You may think like what they have done to me or how they have helped me the think to turn around my life. But the thing is like the thing which I am going to say, I feel like that will be giving you a bit of additional point or additional environment where you can make yourself boost up and come to your dream or job. Basically, I have around 9.3 years of experience and around 1 year of gap, which is I didn't expect due to my personal thing, which I need to leave my job and come out of the job where I was been working as a service delivery manager with one of the IT company, which is located in Chennai, and where I was being given a full credit of working, but due to my personal things which I was supposed to support my parents and my family, I was I was in a position to come out of that one, and I was being asked to. I mean, I was being in a position to get myself out, and I for first 6 months I was not able to concentrate in any of my areas to get into a job. After 6 months, one day while I myself and Love Bro has a discussion. He, the person who says that you have been not in a normal format. That is, while we used to have a discussion whenever we finds the time, because myself and Love Bro is having around 3 to 3.5 years of a relationship where I was the one of the first person who used to like his videos in earlier days when he was being putting his videos over there in YouTube for ISO 27001, and that is which made us to get closer, and he used to come in my life whenever I was being in any kind of disturbed in my professional life. He is one who helped me to get my mindset back to search a job in IT field once again. The thing is, like, I totally lost my control as well as my interest over IT field, because I was been trying much harder. Even though I had around 9+ years of experience, I was not able to make myself into a comfortable position while I try to search a job with that much of experience and in different jargons where I have a good experience as well, where I worked in many I worked companies which have been in the Fortune 500s. Even then, I was not able to meet the current requirements because I had around 6 years of 6 months of gap, which made me to lose what is happening in the market. And that's how Love Bro given me an introduction about Akshay. And in one fine evening, I got a call from Akshay. I didn't expect the call from Akshay that what Love Johar Bro said is like, you have to call Akshay since he's been held up with too many activities, since he's been running a company with respect to cyber security and GRC. So I thought like, okay, let me call him by after 7 or 7:30. But this guy called me by 5:30, around 5:30 in one fine evening while I was being sitting and just going through some documents. And we from there that is around it's 4.5 months before where myself and Akshay started a journey till date, and I feel like that journey will be going for in our lifespan. So there only we started. We never had an idea of taking a course with Anzen, or I'm going to have a work. I mean, going to get trained for some kind of environment. I didn't have any mindset in over there. The only thing is like I thought, let me have a discussion with Akshay, who is know what is the current value of the market. So from there, I started to speak over to him, and that gives me a lot and lot of information where I felt like, oh, this is what happens in my career where I missed in the last 6 months. So then only I had a word with Love Bro before taking the call with Akshay once again, and I discussed with them, and he said like, don't go for a second thought. You can go ahead and hit with Akshay with his Anson Technologies, who is live. I mean, who has been currently in a current market with all the relevant technologies and support. So that's how I myself connected with Mr. Akshay, and from there we discussed for around 1 or 2 weeks regards to this training, and he supported me in earlier time before starting the training itself. Like whenever I get an interview call, I have to word with Akshay stating that how I need to prepare for an interview, because the requirement is somewhat more than my expectation or more than my area of coverage. So what I did is like I just had a word with Akshay, and this guy gave me lots and lots of inputs, like how the thing needs to be taken into account and how that needs to be derived, because all the times one cannot get support from others. So in that case, how that needs to be taken care, and how the JD needs to be get drill down, and need to understand where they have been looking forward, because even though there is 15 to 16 lines of JD, you need to check how the JD is being correlated, and where they are coming to it, and how they are been looking for it, and what purpose or what is the agenda of that particular JD, and what is the key point over there in the JD, and how it needs to be make it up. So that's how I also started to understand, even though I had a understanding, but this gives me more relevant points how to take up that in a next level or in a advanced level of understanding the JDs. So that's how myself and Akshay started to have a conversation, and we get close. I mean, within a couple of weeks, and then he said that, okay, I plan to launch a training over this particular environment, which is called CSAP. It is nothing but cyber security audit professional, which covers with ISO 27000, ISO 27001 and 27002, along with NIST, GDPR, HIPAA, and this one, that is PSI TS. I thought like I totally had a fear of learning about ISO 27001 itself. But these are all the areas which has been a base framework which is going to come under GIS. But when I take up the course, it totally made me like, okay, there is another way of perspective or another way of thought point, how this can be redefined. Because that guy has made it. That guy made me to understand like how the ISO 27001 and 2 has been get correlated with NIST, and how the GDPR needs to be bring into the environment. Then HIPAA and PSS, it depends on the project or a company which we are going to work with. But this three concept is a major thing wherever we goes with respect to GRC. This three has been a must one in our career. And there we started the training, and the training started. There was few conditions where I didn't expect that kind of condition. The first and foremost condition is like we will be having a midweek reviews. So midweek reviews is not like just like that. Okay, you say. They will be spending at least 2 to 3 hours in the mid of the week in between the busy schedules of their own work. So we will be having the in between schedules or surprise calls as well in between our work in their work profile, and they used to ask whether how far your assignments, how far your assessments, how far your quiz which has been given to you is been in the progress. If we have been saying that we have been getting some kind of difficulties, they will be fixed an appointment with us. That mostly we need to fix the appointment. But in this case, this guy used to fix the appointment with us and says that, okay, I will come on this time, you need to come on this time, we will sit together, we will drill down it, and we will be working on it. Once we worked on it, you need to go ahead and work by tomorrow, and you need to give an update on weekends, because we have the classes on weekends, I mean Saturday and Sundays, from around 10 o'clock it starts. It completed by on our own way. It takes more than 9 to 10 hours. So that's how the class has been go. But the thing is, major thing which we want to go for here is like how they have been structuring the training. That is more important, because the training which they are structured is purely meant to be in the current scenario. That is, what is the current market is expecting from each and every employee that they are trying to pull into their company. Because without that standard, we cannot crack the interviews. One thing. Second thing, the way they express their queries itself will making you think twice that we need to put additional effort over there in the environment, or additional effort over there in the assessment which has been given to us to answer his questions. Because the questions which has been answered, I mean question asked by Akshay, we need to think at least twice or thrice before answering it. There will be a twist and turns in one line itself. So until or unless we are not able to keep our concentration over the training, we will be missing at least 1 or 2 points. It's not a big deal, but the thing is, like, that guy will be pinpointing where we are missing out. So that's how this guy has made me, or I need to say he has restructured me. I cannot say he tuned me. He restructured me to make sure like where I am missing out. That is, I too had noticed that in my earlier interviews, but I doesn't know how to pinpoint it. But in this case, this guy has fine-tuned me in few areas, and he restructured me completely how to take up the interview when questions been poured like a bullets. So in such case only I able to crack the interview with one of the IT giant which has been HCL, and I made it clear that okay, I too can crack the interview with very short span. And to be frank, I didn't complete the training when I cracked the interview. Okay, I didn't I didn't completely fill the training. Even we have training yet. We have another one or 2 weeks of training is pending. But I got the offer. I joined over there. Now I am doing my own daily basis work, and I am literally happy with what I am currently doing it. But my sincere request, those who have been trying to remodule your environment with respect to GRC or with respect to cybersecurity environment, before taking up the training, go and have a word with this guy. He will be trying to give you too much of tips where you need to make a mark of it. If you have been planning to have a very old type of conversation alone, you will be missing many things. You can stop him while he is giving some kind of instruction. You can stop him and ask him to repeat it again. That's how I have done it. When one particular concept is like, for example, I got on a call by the interview which I given. Before that, I got a call from a company named Mindtree. They asked me a question first, and foremost question is, do you know RBI regulatory? I am damn sure I never learned it in any of the area, because the company which I have worked, or I am trying us totally with respect to foreign culture, which has been mostly concentrating on ISO 27000, 27001 and 2 with respect to NIST and GDPR. This company has asked me the first question of, do you know RBI guidelines? I literally doesn't know what to answer, but I said I can handle it because I don't want to miss the opportunity. And I called this guy. That day he was been presenting one of the video over in YouTube for this one, that is SOC. Yes. SOC or so I'm not sure of which video. That one particular video, and he came once the video get completed, it's the time around 11:30. After 11:30, I made a call to him, but I already informed him that I need to have a word with him. By 11:30, he called me back and asked, "What is your query?" I told him like we had a thing like this kind of request where an interview has been scheduled in within a couple of days. He said, "Okay, let me have a discussion." We had around 1.5 hours of discussion till 1:15, I think so. Where I'm saying it's in midnight, not in the afternoons. It's in midnight. Where we had a discussion till 1:15. In this gap, this guy has been cooking his own dinner. In that gap itself, he has been explaining me what is RBI regulatory, how it comes in, what are all the concepts over there, and what are the key features and key points that if you have been planning to elaborate over there in the interview. So he given me, but before that, I got a call from HCL and I take up the interview and I cracked it. So I feel like if you need any kind of turnovers in your environment, so first have a word with Akshay. So he will be guiding you in many of the areas. So whatever you are looking for, you can get a perspective. How you need to build your default resumes can be remodified when you have been speaking with him, because the added values, points which is being added by him in this conversation within YouTube, that in one-on-one you will be able to get many more concepts. You are not going to miss anything over there. That is for sure. I can give you the guarantee, because to be frank, I have a better experience when I take up the interviews after having a word with him, or after having a clear picture of how to handle the environments and with respect to GRC. Because I thought like GRC is a thing which needs some kind of extra knowledge or extra brain to understand it. But someone is telling to you to work on it, you can work it. But when you need to become an auditor or more than that one, you need to understand the environment first. So if you need to understand the environment, you need to have a patient of grabbing the important or critical points which is being mentioned over there in the documents. So this guy given me few tips like how to take over the points from there and how to make over the checklist, where normally we used to ask checklists from others, or we will go and Google it, or we will be trying to ask our seniors what is the checklist that we are following up. But this guy made us who are training with me to make their own checklist, which is a different perspective, because I have also attended a training for ISO 27001 lead audit earlier itself. But the thing is, there they will be providing the checklist and says this is what needs to be followed up. So in that case, I didn't see like I see the difference between this. That is, you need to understand the environment. You need to provide the checklist to him, and this guy will be validating whether that prepared checklist has been perfect or not. Elsewhere, he will be giving you tips or instructions what is missed over and how that needs to be drilled down when you have been asking. So now a team of persons who, if you give an environment to us, our team will be doing it without any disturbance. That thing is, we need to understand the environment alone. We don't need anyone's support for preparing our checklist, because the checklist which we are going to prepare will be making you to think whether you have that thing in your environment or into the company. That's how this particular person is training us. Okay, so I feel like here nothing to be addressing too much about Akshay. The thing is, this guy is literally dedicated to his profession, because I don't want to explain much about him, because you would have seen the videos in YouTube on a daily basis. You will be seeing too many topics which we will be thinking this is not relevant to us. But you once you hear the videos which is been discussed by Love Bro and Akshay, you can understand how that has been going on. So don't miss it out. So if you feel like you can get into a good structure, even if you have been a fresher or an experience, but if you have a midlife crisis with respect to your profession, reach out this boy. He will be supporting you. He has enormous enormous thing, like he will listen us, where 90% of the trainers won't listen us, because once you cross the border, automatically the trainer gets into the fear stating that, hey boss, I have this work, or can we have this kind of discussion. This guy is open to your discussion, but that needs to be very professional in a manner. If we are being into a profession manner, he will be giving you a valid points which can help you in cracking many things. Even you can guide someone who has been struggling to get over there in this environment. So make sure, if you have been able to reach him once, I think you will be starting to admire this guy until your end of life. I'm sure of it, because the way he treat you itself, you will be feeling you are into a safer hands. Taking a course it's not a mandatory in my concern, because it's up to you. You need to decide it. But if you feel that you need to get a betterment of about the environment, that is today's current situations about with respect to cyber security, you can have a word with them. You can have a open forum. He is like an open forum who can give you thoughtful ideas with respect to this one, and based on that, you can define where you are currently standing and where you need to take up your journey into a next level. Okay, so I feel like you guys can rock once you reach him. Take care. I feel like I don't want to take up much of your time. So have a word with them. If you're not able to reach him, reach Love Bro. Automatically you can reach him, because they too have a telepathy. If you reach him, he will be get updated without knowing, without a call from Love Bro. So go ahead and reach him. If not, reach Love Bro. You will be getting much more update about everything with respect to GRC as well as cybersecurity environment. I think you will be rocking in your life, because I got my life after 1 year of time. That is, I lost my job by 31st of July 2019, and I got my job by this 17th of July 2020. Almost 1 year. That too, I'm a family man who has a kid who is going for school, and I need to take care of my wife and my kid. Where how much we need to earn if you need to survive over there in Chennai. So that too in this pandemic situation, I totally agree with this guys. If you go ahead, you also will be agreeing with my words, what I'm telling today. Okay, so get use of it. Try to make use of his knowledge, and make sure that you also getting into the dream job with your flavored salary. See, nowadays we are going to work for salary. That's how my total intention is getting salary. I'm not into any kind. I'm ready to work on anything. But if you have been into your own dream job, you will be putting your concentration over there, and you will be making sure that you have been able to grow into a next level. So this is a good opportunity. Try to reach him. He will be giving you a guidelines. Hope if you have any doubts, you reach out. Love Bro. If you need, reach me. If you need any other details regards to this training or with respect to any other stuff, you can reach me. Else you can directly reach Akshay itself, who can give you more inputs about everything, and you guys can go and reach them, and you can make yourself into a betterment in upcoming days. So don't miss your opportunity. Make sure you have been very clear in your points. I feel this would be a great environment, because my training is going to be get completed, and I feel like I'm going to miss someone. I'm not going to miss someone in this one personally, but professionally I'm going to miss him, because from the day one, I was into the calls from morning to evening. I literally think this guy made me difference in my career. This is a good place to tell him a big thanks because, to be frank, my son is the greatest admirer of Akshay. So whenever we are in training, this guy will come and see the training environment and says, if the Akshay is there, it's a live training. If it's not, Akshay is not there, it's a recorded training. Even though it's live, he never accept that Akshay is not there, it's not a live training. That's how he made his mentality. Even now he asks whether Akshay is coming to live or not. I said no. He said, okay, I'll talk to him later. See, this is how this guy has made an impact into my family as well as into my career as well. Okay, you guys reach him, you can get more inputs than me. I know that everyone, those who are going to see this or who are going to get a word of this thing, I'm pretty sure you have much more knowledge than me. I'm pretty sure, but use it according to it and make sure that you have been able to concentrate in your dream job and you are trying to go and get on it. Okay, I feel like telling you all the best, and I too need to say one more thing, like Love Bro and Akshay, you guys have been totally restructured my entire career and my life in this situation. I need to say a heartfelt thanks to you, and my entire family has been much obliged and much honored the help that you guys have done to us. Okay, so we need, if this is not a pandemic situation, we would have traveled to an end to give you a big treat or a party itself. But fortunately, we missed it. That is, we are not able to reach you guys in this moment. But once this comes in, gets down, we will surely travel to your place and we'll make sure that we are giving you a biggest treat in our life, which we have never given treat in such a fashion. Okay, I feel like this is a good time to stop my thing with respect to these guys. Maybe I'm not sure. Maybe I can come in future as well in different prospects, and I can reach you in a different mode as well. Anyway, I thank both of them for giving me such an environment to speak in this area. I love you guys. Take care. All take care of yourself and make sure you have been safe in your environment and keep your knowledge updating. That's more required in current areas, because if you have been experienced, don't expect for any honeymoon period in your career. If once you have been changing your company, you will be drilled down from the day one. I am getting it, but I'm enjoying it because I need this kind of tension, because I lost this tension for past 1 year. So I don't want to miss it again in my career till I feel like I am done with the job. Okay. Thank you all. Take care. Bye-bye.